Hey there, I'm glad you can join me. In this video, we're going to evaluate this equation when we know what the value of x and y is. So first, we're going to write a set of parentheses every time that we have a variable. And a variable is where a letter is, an x or a y. And the reason why they're called variables is because it varies. They could be any number. But in this situation, the x has a value of 1, and the y has a value of -5. So wherever we saw the x, we put the value of 1. Wherever we saw the y, we put the value of -5. And we always want to keep in mind our order of operations. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, which means do your parentheses, your exponents, multiply, divide, add, and subtract. So our parentheses, 1 squared is 1. 4 times -5 is plus 20. And then we have -1. 1 plus a -20 is a -19. And a -19 minus 1 equals -20. So the answer to this equation is -20.